nakaserba mo usahay na night times na dili ta paminawon kung natay ginahan isulti. Maybe sa atong family, sa atong friends, or maybe sa karelasyon nato, or maybe sa mga katrabaho, or sa di ta paminawon sa atong mga kauban to sa eskwelahan, or maybe sa grupo nato, no. And I know medyo makalagot gina siya and usahay mawawan ta. Muna siya tong istiyahan ka na episode, and this episode we will talk about the reasons nga na dili ta paminawon, and also some ways pod na pwede na to ma-improve sa inana na mga situation. Hi, this is Owen, and this is Emoha Podcast. So, ang first reason nga na dili ta paminawon, I think common na kay ni siya, no? And the first reason is the financial status. So, na golden rule sa una. Ang golden rule before was, don't do unto others if you don't like others do unto you. Di ba? Kaya hinumdum mo na. But karon na ako ni bagong golden rule. So, ang golden rule karon is, he who has the gold makes the rule. Muna golden rule. Which is, makaingon ko, napoy argument, but sakto man po because they said cash is king. Kung naa kay kwarta, ikaw magbuot, ikaw mo'y hawod, no? Mo gani kalabanan, and influential kay kapag na kay kwarta. So kung nakadungog sad mo sa isa ka Marvel superhero na nisulti na make your friends rich and your enemy rich and just wait to find out which is which.
But I always say, keep your friends rich and your enemies rich and wait to find out which is which.
Tony Stark used to say that to me. You're one of his.
So, I think mo na siya. Dirty money makes the world go round, and makaingon ko na nga, yes, sakto bitaw, no? Because money don't have any emotions, no? Daghan kay mga dato na bati kay mga batasan, pero daghan sila kwarta. Pero nasa iba na mga pwedeng kabuutan na gyud, no? As in buutan sa gayo, pero sila pa walay kwarta. And mo na siya, money don't have any emotions, no? Bisag unsa pa na siya imong status din ha. Nadyo kay bayranan, na kay bills, and mo gani siya usa ka reason nga no dili ta paminawon is because sometimes we don't have the money, and mo na siya first of my list. And the second one is the network and reputation, no? So sa pangalan pa lang daan, no, kahadlukan na, and makaingon ka nga you will be associated with different people, no? Like for example, ng mga politicians, mga businessmen, or mga leaders. And I think mo gina ilahang mga the nature na gina sa ako na kailangan gyud tag mga contacts o mga network, no. And usahay magud maabusaran na gina siya. It's because kung kabantay mo na naay mga kanang traffic violations, no, and then madakpan gani magsulti din sila mga pangalan din, mag name drop din na sila din na waka kaila na ako, or kaila ko ni kuan, kaila ko ni General kuan, blah blah blah, kaila ko ni Mayor blah blah blah. So muna siya mga name drop din because nakuno sila contact and they seem so powerful, and then you will get the attention. So I think we don't need to abuse that kanang network and reputation. It's because bati kay na siya, no, and then say makaingon din na sila, ha? Kaila na ako, businessman ko.
Sir, excuse me po, hindi ka basta-basta pwede pumasok sa loob. May pila po sa labas eh.
Nasaan mo?
May pila po sa labas, yun po yung patakaran dito sa loob ng bar.
Papipilayan mo yung itsurang to? Ha? Di mo ba ako kilala? Di mo ako kilala?
Sige po, welcome po kayo, welcome po sa bar.
Di naman pala eh.
So, ano siya? I think that's the second reason why nga no di ta paminawon is because wala tay network and wala tay reputation. So the third one is educational attainment, no. Kung kabantay mo taas kay grado, dali ka katuhuan, or katong mga taas pa sa imuha, dali kay kamuto, no. It's because I think na kuha na gina nato sa gamay pa to, no, na we respect the elders, we respect the authority, we respect the with the uniform, or katong na mga katungkulan, you know, and na gina sa tuwa teachers, atong parents, no, we need to respect them, no, and usay dili ta mutuo because or maminaw ta tungod sa mga taong mga inana, no, and na gina cultural gina nato, no, mutuo ta sa mga taas pa nato. But ang kanang ka-level lang nato usay magkasumpaki mo, like example mga pareha mo mga bata, no, or mga even sa mga dagko na, it's because of kanang social status, no, and because of that one educational attainment, muna sila maka-determine lang mga social status, because their doctorate, their masters, their unsa pa na sila din, no, lawyers and everything, no, and I think mo po na a reason nga dili ta paminawon is because of our educational attainment, no, but dili po sa tanang panahon na di po ta mapaminaw, no, nagiuban na mga tao nga kuan mapaminaw regardless of their educational attainment, no. And the fourth one is skills. I think naging uban ng mga umay kay, no, may mga sales talk, no. Amo na gamit sa mga salesman. Ay uban ng mga natural salesman gyud, no. kung tawagon pa nato sila usay baan kina sila no.
Sus ka ba gani niya.
I think also that's also really kuan no, kung wala kay skills dili ka mapaminaw no. But kung kabante mo na uban na mga sip-sip kayo sa trabahoan no, and I think that's really common no. Mahigit sila dili sila mapaminaw is because they have the skills. Dili na to ibation ang word nga sip-sip no. Mga ko lang is just that the people nga kato mga babli baan. And I think kana sila po dili po na sila mga threat sa ato ano, as long as lang di na sila mayatak og tao the way sila mo saka sa ilahang level no. But again, don't touch them because they have the skills and they have the power also no, and they have the kanang inana na ilahang the way sila manulti. And also regarding with the skills also imuhang composition of thoughts no, dili concrete gani mong idea usay dili ka paminaw no. Usay boring yung siguro kay ka dili ka paminaw, and I think we need to improve that one. And also one thing na ako ang isulti is because I still need to improve that, you know, the creativity, the public speaking skills, you know, the composition of thoughts. And I think that's also one thing dili ta paminaw is because we are lack of skills. Wala ta kabalon sa ano to the way to mastorya. And I think that's my one reason nga dili ta paminaw. So, unsa atong buhaton para paminawon ta? And the first thing na atong mabuhat is that maminaw pud ta, no? Maminaw ta una before ta paminawon. And 80% of our communication actually is listening, and listening not hearing, no? So maminaw ta dili lang kaya nang makadungog. Meaning listening is that nagin may mental interaction no, na kay attention na kay focus, understanding, and hearing is just the sound and sod sa atong dunggan. And mo nang gipangutanan ko one time sa akong anak ngano kung naay hearing aid ngano walay listening aid, and I think that's the interpretation because listening is more on kanang understanding sa sounds na ning sod sa atong dunggan no, and then just the hearing aid mo na siya kanang siya gusa ka gadget amplify sa sounds no, and it's up for us to identify or understand the sounds kung saan ang pasabot na sounds no. And when we listen we need to give our attention or the undivided attention, focus with the person kung sa iyang gisulti, and then understand kung sa iyang pasabot no. Mao siguro ang dili ta paminaw no size because kanang di sa ta maminaw, and of course we need to listen first before ta kanang paminawon no. So the next one ato ang pwedeng mabuhat is that we need to blend or makibagay ta sa mga tao or makibagay ta sa atong kaistorya no. We need to mirror ourselves sa katong kaistorya nato no. So ganata sa mga tao na pareha nato no. Ganata sa mga tao na mo cooperate sa atoa, mo appreciate sa atoa, and we have the common belief, and so we have the common likes and dislikes as well. So muna siya atong ganahan, and if kanang tao makasense siya sa imuha na pareha mo na makablend ka sa iyaha or makig-match up ka sa iyaha. And I think night times nga paminawon ta is because they like you already no, okay, because na may common belief na may pareha og kanang taste, pareha og interest no. And muna siya after we understand the person no, after ta maminaw, and then I think we need to check ourselves no kung nabatay common interest sa atong kaistorya or sila nabay sila common interest sa atuwa, or maybe we talk something na interested sa ilaha by that time na makiblend ka sa ilaha, makabalo ka kung sa ilang ganahan. And I think that's the second one na pwede na itong mabuhat. So the next one na pwede na itong mabuhat is that kailangan ta mistorya. We need to talk. So dili ta paminawon kung magsigil na taghilom-hilom din ha no, or buwana ta na sila bahalag sa bot na to no. I think yes, body language is very strong language no, and I think we need to interpret that one accordingly. But again dili man sa tanang panahon na tanang tao maka-interpret ana, it's better na nalang kaisulti or ano dili na sila kasabot kung dili ka mastorya, and better mastorya na lang kita. And night times na complicated kaya itong istorya no, and we need some explanation, of course kailangan kina siya. But if dili mangani and gusto lang ka kanang punto per punto, you can use this technique kanang gitawag nila ABC. A stands for accurate, and B is for brief, and C is for complete no. Accurate, brief, and complete. ABC. So muna siya technique normally ang gamit sa mga supervisors or mga managers to kanang quick answer sa mga tao. And also the idea also that you need to attack the thoughts and not the person. Muna siya kung mustorya mo kanika ayog kanang personal ang tao no. Better talk about the action, talk about the idea or the thought, don't attack the person, no. Like for example, kung ikaw may supervisor, no, mga saba ka or maabot sa point na mga saba kasi mo mga tao or mo istorya ka na wala ka ganahi, no, because of their output, and then talk about the output, no. Don't talk about the person na mga wa po'y ayon nimo kabulayog sa nimo or kakuan ba nimo nga dili ka kasabot, kabugo ba nimo, and then kana siya, that's the kanang person na manggod na mong gi-atake. Instead kung mana ka nga wala man nimo na nabuhat is because ka kuan ni ga-expect og inani nga output nga wala nimo mabuhat unsa may kulang, asa man kadapita nagkulang or asa ko dapita nagkulang. I think that's a very good kanang action, no, or a good kanang idea to attack through their action and not as a person. And same as well with the regular employees, no, or kanang mga worker, no. And if you want to talk with your supervisor, you want to talk with the kanang managers, no. So night times kailangan ta istorya, and mo na siya, you want to attack it, like for example the instruction, no, sir wala klaro yung instruction, dili ko kasabot, so kulang na atong instruction sir, or sir wa ko ganay sa atong gibuhat nimo to sona. Ayog ingon na sir kawa po'y ayo nimo sir, ay kanang unsa po ka pagka-leader, unsa po ka pagka-supervisor, pagka-manager, wala mas kay kuan. And again, dili na maayo, no, and then magka-personalay nimo ana, magwag tangay tagtrabaho ana or unsa ba, no, and kana say makayong kambugivo po kani siya na blah blah blah, di ba? And same as well with the parents, no, kung nakay kasaba si imong anak or nakay i-point out, no, the misconduct of your kids, talk about the action, no, talk about ang kuan kakabugo ba nimong anak ka ano wa kasabot, so lahi kayo, no, lahi kayo ang impact ano, so better talk about the action and not the person. Okay, so muna siya mo mabuhat. So lastly, after all the effort, after naminaw ka and then nakibagay ka and then nisulti ka, no, and wag gigapoy maminaw sa imuha, and then I think the last thing that you can do is that you can leave, no, no hard feelings, no, after all, okay fine, thank you, no, salamat sa imong time, salamat sa imong small attention, and maybe this is not for you, and thank you, no, and we all know that not all people can follow us, or maybe not all people will like us, no, we cannot please them, no, we cannot please everybody, and mo na siya, at least we try, no, and the greatest failure is the failure to try. At least nisuway ta na nakibagay ta sila, naminaw ta, and then istorya ta, but again dili siguro na siya worth of your time, and maybe also dili pod na worth of their time ang imuhang gisulti. And then that's the time siguro na you can find the others, no? Maybe na kay mga napu katao nga dili maminaw sa imuha, pug na puy mga 90 katao nga ganahan dili maminaw sa imuha. Then thank you, no? Ingno nimo tong mga 10% nga. Thank you very much. Maybe I can serve you in some other time, and maybe this is not for you. Maybe this is for other person or other people, no? So, mo na last nimo mabuhat. So, pangutana, no, why I'm telling you this, no, ngano gi-discuss min ako ni siya ani na episode, no, and take note before kumuhatag sa reason, no, take note na we don't seek a permanent attention here, no, because we like our privacy, no, di ta ganahan na ang kita permi mo center of attraction, no. One reason na insulti na ako ni is because we just want you to be heard, and also we need to express our thoughts kung sa inyong ganahan istorya. And it's always about the message. It's not about the messenger. The same the thought na ganina gisulti na ako na attack the idea, not the person. And mo na siya. And also kailangan na tanaw sa paminahon, no. And like for example, kaya na podcast, kung walay naminaw mo ganyan na podcast, then mas maayo because walay nakabalo na ma-fail na siya na podcast, diba? But ang ako lang is that sometimes we need to express our thoughts lang po and be heard. And also one of the reason nga gipili na ko siya nga topic is because I want you also to improve those reasons na ni-mention ako ganina about the financial status, the network and reputation, the education, the skills, and maybe the appearance as well, no? And I want you to improve that one as well na at least maybe makakita ka og kanang areas sa imong kinabuhi na pwede na to ma-improve. And lastly, I'm telling you this is because I want to improve myself as well, no. Muna siya, let's improve together. Ganahan ko mo na po ko yung mga makatunan sa inyo, ha. And hopefully doon ang tatanan na ma-improve. Nakatong gi-mention ako ganina. Because I really care, no. When we care, we share na concept. Hopefully doon ang tatanan na ma-improve. So, if you like this episode or if you're one of us, then please leave a comment, like, or share, and then subscribe or maybe follow. But most important, keep practicing and keep learning. And let me end this episode with a quote that life is best when we share it with someone. That's all for this episode. Thank you for listening. Until next time. Bye.